the graph of a linear parent, the linear function f and g are shown on the grid. Which function is best representative of the graph of g? So I want you guys to look into this. Every time that you see something on the answer choices that has f of x, always think of the father. And remember, the father of all lines. And why do I say the father? Because of f. F is like the main dude is the father. So on this one, every time that you're comparing two lines, you're gonna put f of x, which is the father is x. So f of x equals 2x. Let me put it right. And then on this one, we are going to compare these lines right here so that you have exactly the same graph. So on the first one, we're gonna put answer choice A. So we're gonna put g of x equals f of x minus 4. And so we're going to compare these two lines. Again, the green one is the main one, which is this f right here. And then we have the g that's kind of rotated going down. As you can see, these lines are parallel. So that's not the correct answer. So let's go on to the next one. We're going to go to C. Again, do not get rid of the first one because that's like the main guy. And you can see they're not giving you that information here. You have to kind of remember that. So the father equals 2x. And then you're going to go to number 2, which is C in this case. We're going to put g of x equals f of x minus 2. Again, you can see that these two lines are parallel and these two lines are not. So that is not our answer. How about D? So we're gonna go here. I'm not gonna delete the top one, but I will delete the second one. I'm gonna put g of x equals 3f of x. Well, yes, it kind of looks like it. They're rotated. Let's just observe something. This right here in the middle is the father. It's f, which is this one right here. And look at g. It goes down. Do we have the red one going down? No, it went up on the opposite side. So be careful on that because it might look like it, but since our graph is not colored, we're going to get mistaken by that. So just observe that this middle one is f and that the other line went rotated down, not rotated up. So it is not that one. So it has to be that one. So let's just check it out. I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to put here g of x equals 1 divided by 3 to the right f of x. So let's check it out. The father, which is the green one, which is what we have right here. And see how the other line rotated going down? See? It rotated going down. So we found our answer, which is G. Again, the takeaways from this problem is do not forget this part right here. F of x equals x. Everything else, the problem is going to give you, except for this. Some cases they will, some cases they might not. But if you remember this, you're not going to get these wrong.